This community is awesome. If you guys remember, I have been working on a 49 Merc, and that is for the Rust Bucket group build. And our friend Sluggo sent me a email asking what kind of parts do I needed for the car, because as you guys know, I've been working on that car, and it's a rebuilder, and I only pay $4 for it. And I have mentioned on my very first video that I was missing some parts, like, you know, not too many. I think it was just the bumper and a few other things. And he said, hey, I have some extra parts that I don't need, and you know, if you don't mind, I'll send them to you. And I said, sure. I have more than one of those cars in a bag. And as you see here, I have another one that I paid $5 for it, that I got at the same show. And as I mentioned before, I like the body style, but I never really built one, so this is all a learning curve for me. And as I'm putting the other car, the blue one, together, I'm learning more on how I can lower it and do certain things with it. And so I got the box and full of stuff. It's just, parts galore. And I have this one, and I actually have two more. I have this one here and then another one. And I have taken inventory of everything here, and I think I might have enough to put the other two together. The blue card that I'm working on, I think I have lowered the card a little too much, so I'm not sure if this bumper is gonna fit. But since I have the other two, I might just be able to use these on the other one. So not a big deal. We're gonna use all these parts. We're gonna put them to good use. So there's that, and here's another. I believe this is supposed to be chrome. I'm not too sure, but it's not a big deal. We could always strip it and re-chrome it. And then here's the other one. So here's the front and rear bumpers, and then other wheels and tools and stuff like that. So yeah, we can definitely use all of this stuff. And then as he was Sluggo was mentioning this to me, that he was going to send this to me, I already had another friend sending me a chrome one. So I was able to just I got this before that one. I got the chrome tree before the box, and I was able to get the stock tail lights. And if you guys see here, these are the custom lights right here. I only have one, but as I'm taking inventory on what Sluggo sent me, I was able to find one extra, which is super cool, because what are the chances of getting what you need, but anyways, it's in here. I know it's here somewhere, and I'm just not gonna be looking for it because I don't want to. Oh yeah, it's right here. See it right there? It's right here. So very cool. So now I have the pair. Might strip this and then paint it, and go from there. It's very cool. And then this other piece that comes with, if you guys have built this, it comes with it, and then some other chrome stuff. So, and then all of these steelies, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I have plenty. He also sent me this. So I have this body with no trunk lid or hood. So here we go. The search starts again for another 49 work that we got to put together. But that's gonna be somewhere down the line. But for now, we have enough to put this one together, and I have another one that is just in the same shape as that. So very cool. I can't wait to start working on the other car. The blue car, it's coming along really nice. Like I said, I have messed around with the suspension on it, that it's sitting very low, and I really hope that I can use the bumpers, the front and rear. But if not, it's okay. I could always put them on that one or the other one that I have, and go from there. So it's not a loss. We will use those parts, and I thank you, Sluggo, for sending me those parts, and let's continue building on. And I gotta say, you know, this community is very, very cool, very giving for sure. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy modeling.